Okay, so we'll start today's session. Uh, we are going to have a look at the verbal questions that come in the Accenture paper. So you'll get an idea of what kind of questions these are and how to solve them. Today's session will be an interactive one. Uh, for each question, I'll call out one student and you can answer. It's quite simple, not too complicated as such. So as you can see, the paper is of the CoCubes company pattern. That is, CoCubes is a test preparation company. So they are the ones who conduct the test for Accenture. And these are the verbal questions that come. As you can see, the first, in this particular set, we have about 20 questions. So we'll try and do most of them if time permits. And the first four questions, as you can see, are of reading comprehension. So there are lots of reading comprehension passages available on the internet also. These are all straightforward questions, so we will skip them for now. You can do the reading comprehension on your own. It's not a big issue as such. When it comes to question number 5, you can see another type of question. They have given four statements A, B, C, and D, and they have asked you to choose the correct order from here. So this is jumbled sentences. We have already done jumbled sentences in the previous semesters during the verbal classes that you had. So we can skip these also just to give you an idea that they ask jumbled questions also in these papers. So we'll start with the fill in the blank question. I'll call out a name of a student and you guys can answer one by one. Uh, so we'll start with Shweta. Shweta, can you hear me? Shweta, ready? Can you guys hear me? Hello, can everyone hear me? Okay, okay. Okay, Raja, you answer this question. Raja Yadav. Can you answer question number 7? Hmm. Correct. Perfect. Immediately refers to now. So you have to use call, wherein you are instructing some person to call the police on an immediate basis. Good. Fine. So I'll ask somebody else. Gautam, Vishnuvardhan. Hello, Gautam. Yeah. Can you answer question number 8? Very good. What do you mean by record rainfall? Record rainfall means, yeah, so it's record rainfall actually means heavy rainfall, which, yeah, more compared to normal rainfall it's pretty high. Okay, so use of simple past tense had is more than enough for this. Good, perfect answer. Okay, next, Kavya Shri. Yeah, can you answer question number 9? So they are asking for nearest meaning of highlighted word. So shortcoming, what does it mean? No improvement, eh? No, you have to change. It's not a question of improvement. The question of shortcoming means shortage, correct? Yeah, so you can use scarcity. Yeah, you have no scarcity cheaply. labor. Okay. Yeah. Next question number 10. Who can answer this? Let's say Srikanta. Can you hear me? Sanhita Srikanta. Yeah. Can you answer question number 10? Correct. Perfect. Instead of saying remind me of posting, you have to say remind me to post these letters. Perfect. Right. Now, question number 11. Uh, okay, I leave this open to everyone. Does anyone know the meaning of the word cousin? No? Okay, cousin means to trick someone or to deceive someone or to cheat someone. So, what would be the opposite of that? Anybody can answer? Yeah, treat. Correct. Perfect. Treat honestly. Very nice. Okay. Let me ask question number 12 to. Okay, Surya Prakash can answer. Surya Prakash, can't hear me. Prashant, Surya Prakash. Huh? Option B, raising. Raising, is it? What do you mean by raising? You are correct, but what is the meaning of raising? Ah, raising means growing, growing or cultivating. Right, correct, perfect. Okay, next question number 13 goes to Sendil Nathan. Sendil Nathan, can you hear me? Yeah, can you answer question number 13? For others, just there is no need to mention your roll number in the chat. I will take your attendance at the end of the session. From ancient times. No, that's not the correct answer. See, actually, this ancient times refers to one particular time of start, correct? For example, 200 AD, if I change it to this, even then, will you use from? Then, what are you supposed to use? Whenever you have a time of start, you use since. Yeah. When you have an exact time of start, you're supposed to use since. Okay. Right. Question number 14. Let me ask Shahid. Shahid MA. Yeah. Can you answer question 14? Perfect. Very nice. You serve him with summons. Summons is a paper given by the court to ask somebody to come and appear in court. So, with is the correct answer. Perfect. Nice. Okay. Let me ask Sri Aishwarya. Yeah. Do you know the meaning of facile? Fluent. Okay. So, which option would you choose from these four? Does anyone else know the meaning? Option C is wrong. Uh, does anyone else know the meaning of facile? Ah, correct. Facile means something which is simple, straightforward, no confusions. So that is easily done. What about deluge? Have you guys heard this word deluge? Perfect. In 2015, correct. In 2015, we had the Chennai floods. So at that point of time, in the newspapers, you would have seen the city had been damaged because of the deluge. Okay. Let me ask question number 17 to Vishal. Vishal, can you hear me? Yeah, can you answer question number 17? Very good. Perfect. Now, you can note that the new wave of cafes are small restaurants, correct? So, the new wave of cafes actually means uh, that it is a type of a modern cafe, probably. Am I right? So, it is actually a category. The new wave, there may be old cafes, there may be new cafes, there are modern cafes. So these are all categories. So you guys would have heard that something falls under a category. Have you guys heard this item falls under a category? So that's the way you are supposed to decipher what they've asked over here. Fine. Okay, question number 18. Let me ask Vijay Lakshmi. Vijay Lakshmi Natarajan, are you there? Yeah, can you answer question number 18? Perfect. What do you mean by upliftment? Upliftment programs. What do you mean by that? Correct. Those are development programs for the villages. Nice. Okay. Now, question number 19. Let me ask Yogaraj. Yogaraj, can you hear me? Yeah. So, this is a new type of question, as you can see. So, they have given this particular sentence. So, here they have divided the sentence into three parts A, B, C, and then the final choice is no error. That means you have to read the sentence and find out if any one of these parts has an error. If not, then you can go for option D. Beginning of the sentence is here, ma. It's blurred. Why can others see my screen properly? Then what is the problem? Okay, can somebody else? Maybe your internet is not fast. Can somebody else answer this question? No error. Correct. There's nothing wrong with this sentence. It's absolutely fine. Okay. What about question number 20? Last question. Is there any error in this question, in this sentence? A, yeah? Why? So what should it be? So one, so okay, one of many only will come, right? You're choosing one of many members. So what is wrong with that? Wherever you put one of the, you are supposed to put a plural noun only. So there is nothing wrong with this. part of sentence. One of the students in the class. You have to use plural only. Okay. So that is not the problem. Do you find any other problem in this sentence?
C, sir.
Why?
C.
Why?
The minister was an atheist. They are doubting his point. So it is present tense. It can't be was an atheist. The minister is an atheist.
Yeah, but this guy expressed doubt, right? Expressed is past tense. So he expressed at that point of time. Even this M, I mean, that is not an issue. See, the problem over here is what do you mean by doubt? Doubt itself is asking a question, right? Doubt means asking a question, correct? Now, can you question along with an if? If also means doubt only, correct? Huh? So you have to change this to expressed doubt that the minister was an atheist. That is the problem in the sentence. So which option would you select? You have to select option B. Okay. The problem was this. It should not be if, it should be that. Okay. Fine. So we have had a look at a few of the question types that come in Accenture verbal section. So that's enough for today. In the next classes, tomorrow or day after, we'll have a few more questions. See, this is the latest paper that we have from Accenture, last year's paper. So you guys would know what kind of questions are asked. Okay. So I will just take your attendance now and we'll wind up for today. Okay. Uh, okay, tell me your attendance one by one. Sandhya, Santosh, Santosh Kumar, Prashant,
Yes, sir.
Satya,
Yes, sir.
Ganesh Karthik, Magesh, Selva Magesh, Selva Priya, Sendil Nathan, Shahid,
Yes, sir.
Sheikh Anis Ahmad, Sheikh Sajid,
Yes, sir.
Shalini Priya,
Present, sir.
Sharmila.
Yes, sir.
Who's that? Sharmila. This
Sir,
is
yes, sir.
this is the first class you're attending, huh?
Yes, sir.
Why? What happened?
Sir, mobile உடஞ்சிருச்சு. கான்டாக்ட் பண்ண முடியல.
Okay,
அது ரெடி பண்ண கொடுத்தா அதுவும் ரெடி பண்ண வச்சு
sure.
கிளாஸ் பண்ணேன்.
Oh, no problem. Vishnu Priya, Akash, Sindhuja.
Present, sir.
Okay, Sindhuja,
Yes, sir.
Shobana Lakshmi,
Yes, sir.
uh, Hema Sai,
Present, sir.
uh, Shri Aishwarya,
Yes, sir.
Sujit, Sunil Kumar, Surya, Surya Prakash, Shweta, Shweta Reddy,
Present.
Surya Prakash is also there. Okay, Shweta Reddy. Syed, Syed, Syed Mohid Amina. Okay. Syed Tausif, Tejaswin,
Yes, sir.
uh, Hitashri,
Present, sir.
Hemant Kumar, Jagdish,
Present, sir.
Manu Teja, Venkatesh, Vardhan, Karthik, Sai Pradeep,
Yes, sir.
Vinit Kumar, Uma Maheshwari, Vaishali, Vasant, Venkat Shoban, Mani Balaji, Udipa,
Yes, sir.
Venkatachalam, Vishnuvardhan, Vignesh, Vijay Lakshmi,
Present, sir.
Jay Kumar, Vinita, Vishal,
Present, sir.
Vishal, Vishnupriya, Vishala,
Vishal present there.
okay, Vishnupriya,
Yes, sir.
Vishnuvardhan, Kavyashri,
Present, sir.
Pavan, Raja,
Present, sir.
Sai Krishna, Yogaraj, Vijita,
Present.
Yuvraj,
Present, sir.
okay. Did I miss out anyone? Attendance 260. One second, one second. Ganesh Karthika. Okay. Then 288 Vardhan. Okay. Then 2, who is that? 306, Vishnu Priya. Okay. Anyone else? Ma'am? Okay, then we'll wind up with this session for today. Yeah, thanks and have a good day. All right.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Ah, அது நான் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் கரெக்ட் பண்ணி அனுப்பிச்சிடுறேன் உங்களுக்கு மூடல்லையே ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகிடும் ஓகே வி ஆர் நாட் கண்டினியூங் வித் எஸ்ஏஸ் அந்த கிளாஸஸ்லாம் ஓவர் ஸோ அதை எனக்கு அந்த கிரேடிங்லாம் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு பை நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் இட் வில் பி ரிஃப்ளெக்டிங் இன் மூடல் ஓகே